To achieve a precise print, a well-adhered first layer is essential. Regardless of the surface calibration, there are some parameters that we can adjust to improve the adhesion, especially in the case of printing models whose base has almost no contact with the printing surface. The section Build Plate Adhesion contains the basic parameters that will help you to ensure that your model do not come unstuck. The first parameter, Build Plate Adhesion Type, allows you to choose between 4 adhesion modes. The Skewered option creates one or several lines around the part, without ever touching it. These do not increase the adhesion surface, but it does ensure that the hotend is paired correctly and that it's already extruding material before you start printing the model. You can determine the separation distance of this line from the model and the minimum distance to extrude before beginning your print job. The Brim option increases the surface of the first layer of the model, increasing its contact area with the printing surface. By choosing this option, you can determine the distance that will increase the first layer. The Wrap option creates a small structure that supports the printed piece so that it can absorb the stresses generated by the shrinkage of the material. The Build Plate Adhesion Extruder allows you to choose the head with which the bonding material will be printed. By default, it prints using the same head as the one selected to print the model. BCN3D Cura allows you to configure many parameters, which you can enable from the tab Settings, Settings Visibility, Enable All, or by clicking on the settings icon of each parameter. In the BCN3D knowledge base, you will find detailed information on how to adjust each parameter with tips according to the materials and hotends you want to use.